So this is DSC 2020 question number 34. F is given by this. What can be said about continuity, differentiability, and partial derivatives? Okay, so let's go on the whiteboard. Xy by x square plus y square. Not equal to. Correct? This is what the question is. Okay. This basically means that x not equal to 0, y not equal to 0. And this means that x and y are both equal to 0. Okay. Now, let's talk about continuity first. Continuity will be established if left hand limit at 0, 0 is equal to right hand limit at 0, 0 is equal to the functional value at 0, 0, which is equal to 0. Okay. So LHL and RHL should be equal to 0. Okay. Now LHL left hand limit at 0, 0 is basically limit h tends to 0 f of 0 minus h comma 0 minus h. Limit h tends to 0 minus h minus h. So this is minus h into minus h divided by minus h square minus h square. So this is limit h tends to 0 h square by 2h square, which is half. Obviously, left hand limit is not equal to the function value. I don't have to check further because that means that the function is discontinuous. Yet, just for theory's sake, we can find out the right hand limit as well, which will also be equal to half. So LHL and RHL are the same, but it's not equal to the functional value. So this can be said to be discontinuous. Okay. If it is discontinuous, it is definitely non-differentiable. So it is non-differentiable. ठीक है? So it is discontinuous and non-differentiable. अब हमें क्या निकालना है? हमें निकालना है पार्शियल डेरिवेटिव, क्योंकि पार्शियल डेरिवेटिव भी क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया है. पार्शियल डेरिवेटिव एट 0, 0 अगर हमें निकालना है, okay, partial derivative at 0, 0 will be something like this. Limit h tends to 0 f of 0 plus h comma 0 minus f0, 0. I am only increasing the value of x by h. This is h. Okay, this is basically the right hand derivative, which will be the same as the left hand derivative because the question is giving you a similar approach. Okay, so limit h tends to 0 h comma 0 h into 0 divided by h square plus 0 square minus f0, 0 is 0 divided by h del y. Let's take now the partial derivative of y at the point 0, 0. 0, 0 plus h minus f0, 0 divided by h. Again, you'll get the same thing. Limit h tends to 0. 0 into h divided by 0 square plus h square minus 0 by h. So the partial derivative with respect to x and the partial derivative with respect to y are both equal to 0, but it is non-differentiable. Okay. The answer that comes is, yeah, 2. All right. Sure, some of you are asking कि sir ये कौन सा question है which is similar to this. It is DSC 2015 question numbers 6 and 7. Let me show it to you. DSC 2015 क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 and 7। ये देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 and 7। DSC 2015 क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 and 7।